Hello, and my name is Olivia Jones. I work for Lincoln University of Missouri for the Division of Educational Innovation and Extended Studies, also known as DEIES. And today I will be showing you how to log into the Lincoln University portal. So, once you've selected your web browser of your liking, you're then going to type in lincolnu.edu. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected to the Lincoln University webpage. To the top left corner, you'll see the words Login. Select Login. Then you'll be redirected to the Blue Tigers portal Sign In. If this is your first time signing in, please press First Time User. If you have your username and your password, go ahead and enter in your username information and your password information. If you do not remember either your user ID or your password, you can either go to What's My User ID or Reset Password. If you are having any difficulties logging in, please contact the information desk by calling 573-681-5888, or you can email them at helpdesk@lincolnu.edu. So once you've entered your username and your password information, you will then be redirected to the home page of the portal. And here you're able to access your student email, go through self-service, or view LU Online, where you're able to access all of your assignments, homeworks, quizzes through Canvas. And this is how you log into the Lincoln University portal. Thank you, and we hope that this was helpful for you.